Hello, good day everyone. This video tutorial is learn how to customize theme in WordPress, and this is part of the full video tutorial that I posted last time about how to create a WordPress website and earn profit with affiliate marketing. If you want to see the full video tutorials of creating websites using WordPress and earn $500 or more, you must watch this, and please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to all videos that I make about online businesses and online jobs. Check down on my description box, because I put the link of my full video tutorials and the separated content. So stay tuned. And this part of the video, we will learn how to customize the theme whatever we have purchased. So as of now I have used the theme called Consulting. So in this case, you will also see your theme and team name along with the logo. So if we go to the theme option, we can see the page like this. So here, we can see all the installer demo. You can use any of the demo content what they have provided. We were free to use any of the layout, any of the design, the style, the pattern, how you wanted your website to look like, right? So if you have any issues, you can simply click on the support option and you can raise your issue by support, creating a support ticket. Support account, you have to create a support account, then you have to create a support at, like it's called a ticket, right? So they have provided the ticketing system. They have also provided a video tutorial, how to troubleshoot basic things and something like how to install the pane on your WordPress. So as of now we don't have to do anything with the support. The main purpose, the main work we have to do is in the team options. Right, so I'm just going to do the team option. So here we can customize our team as far as our requirements, as far as our needs, right? So here you can see all the things whatever is present and the science, the things, then head, then pages, even pages, drop pages, footer. You can literally customize any part of the website by using this team's things, right? So if we go to this header part, we can see the stop but. Suppose I'm in the top bar and then building the store but option. So here you can see this preview, how the team, how the proper looks like. You can simply check it from Harrison. Like for example, after enabling that top bar options, I got this thing they call an email, and this, so, from where the data are coming. So, if you see in the address section, you can change your address, whatever icon you will give, it will reflect on this particular place. Right. So here you can simply give you an email address. You can select your icon in the same way you can give your phone number by providing your phone number here, and you can select the icon itself, right? So as of now the toggle part is over and the header appear. Like if you want to select any of the header, like the theme has provided so many different types of huddle. So currently, I'm using huddle style 6. So let's see how harder style 1 looks like. So once you click on this particular part, you can see the preview. If you like this preview, if you like this header to go with your website, you can simply select this for any other style, and click on publish your team. Your settings will get live automatically. So as of now let's see what the style to looks like. And you can also customize as per your requirement, whatever style, whatever design you want to give the header. So currently I'm going with header style 6 itself, right? So after selecting the style, you have to click on publish as I said earlier, and if we take any other things like the social buttons, then any other information, whatever you want to create, like as I have already covered here, the address, email and email at working hours, phone numbers, everything you can customize my spawn this part itself. This is for header. So if you see randomly, something like footer, so let's say footer layout. Like header, they have also given some layouts. Yeah, they have given 2 layouts. you can select any of the layout and the thing will automatically that change in this website. And just to confirm, you can scroll down to the footer part and let's see if currently it is style 1. Let's see how the style looks like. So this is the proto part, so you can see the preview of the changes. If you want to add anything like the logo, you can select it here, and if you want to select the suite height, and if you want to change if you want to hide the logo on the hide any of the social buttons, you can simply click on the side option and they have given the option to customize. So let's see, I am on style 1 itself. So how the theme in the product that part looks like, so it's getting loaded over here. Yeah, you can see the preview. So, suppose here they have given the footer part of this one in the address, and then they have given different kinds of addresses. So it can totally customized as far as requirements, right? So if we talk about look, if we talk about the footer supercell minutes, so see, here they have given 3. So as of now, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram is selected. So it is reflecting over here. If you have any other profiles, like for example, I want to add my YouTube channel link, I have to click on this YouTube button, I have to take, and they have given all the social links, all the social profile links over here. So you can simply click on take and take it. As of now, just to show you people, I have clicked on YouTube button and YouTube menu has appeared. That's it, and you can customize every single thing whatever is there in footer, header or any of the part. Right. So suppose I am going to the post type. So I have different kind of post as of now. So I can customize my services, I can customize anything like whatever they have given on the particular theme. If you want to add, you can also add new services. You will work what you testimonials, and meeting whatever as per your requirement. You can simply go ahead and you can add, and if you want to change the CSS is mainly used for designing and giving coding, giving a design in the website. If you want to add your own design, you can simply give your custom CSS code over here is stable code or CSS code, and it will automatically take this code, this data, and reflect on that on your website. And if I talk about millions, and although I have suffered part for many years, I will agree, I will teach you in details how to create menus, how to customize menus. So as of now, you can see this website is under construction and I have not even touched this manuals part. So all the menus are reflecting over here. So if I want to customize this middle part, then this is main menu, is the header menu. There's the main menu. Suppose I want to keep some manual skin head, keep some windows in the sidebar and keep some windows in the footer part. No, suppose they haven't given this address overhead. I want to add some important minerals, something like a privacy policy, terms and condition, return policy, or maybe some other pages links I can customize as part of my requirement. And you can customize for me venues part. And this is main meaning. For example, if I talk about the main menu part, so my website looks like this and these are all main menus. So just click on this menu and it will redirect to all the menus. Suppose here home is coming to times, so I have to click on this menu and I have to remove. So once I remove, automatically this menu will get changed. Now see, it is showing preview. The same way it had about us is trying to type 2 times and hearing company history and whatever. Suppose it is under about us, they have given 3 types of loud, so I want to add on least 1 loud, so are about us. I have to deselect all those things, like for example in about us they are given 1, about layout 1, about layout 2, about layout 3, so I want to keep about node 1. And I want to delete about loud and loud 3. So what I have to do? So in this case, you can see simply from Harrison under about us and the new submenu that is called about us, right? So I have to delete about us about layout to simply click on this, and I have to click on remove. And in the same way, and layout about layout 3. So, as of now it is showing this preview. See, all the layouts has been removed. Now this is only one. Now notice about us then mo allowed. That's it, right? So suppose I want to customize my part like after about us, I want to change this name. So I want to add something like my sort of vision mission statements. So simply I have to click on this part of example, this is company history. So I want to change it something like company profile. Suppose company for file. So whatever data you give, I need to update here and it will automatically change. See, I have updated vision under about us, it has after that I have changed my company profile. See, it isn't even company profile. So, simple thing, we have to go by step, it's very easy and anyone can update, anyone can customize aspect their requirements for this, the whole thing you just know it to worry about anything, simplest to follow step by step procedures. Suppose you want to create different sections, although I will be covering this middle part in different tutorial and I will show you how to create menus step by step, and you can also check this part from his. So, the main, if I go to some different other things like widget in the sense, you can see there are some widget which is reflecting on the footer. If I talk about this part this is also widget in several website, you can see something like a YouTube channel link, some other social proper links. So these are all use it right. So you can simply click on and take this widget part if you want. Also, you can add and customize the sidebar widget. If you want to add something in the sidebar, you can simply click on widget part and you can add from that. Well, that's all, and in this next part, I will teach you how to change the logo and tagline of this site. After that you have to change this one. This is the logo. As of now I have not even uploaded any of the logo. I'll teach you how to upload this logo and site depicts. And that's all for today. Next video is to learn how to change a logo in WordPress, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated in my next video tutorials.